This is Pioneer's RD-HWK200. This is an upgrade hardwire kit for selected Pioneer dash cams. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. All right, this is very simple here. We'll just pop this box open and let's dump out the contents. There we go. That's everything inside. Oh, we've also got the, there we go. We have the manual right there is the manual, and there is the warranty sheet. You can take a look at both of those, of course. And let's unpackage this thing and pull that out. All right, so this is a very simple hardware upgrade kit for selected Pioneer dash cams. So we have the switches over on one side right here. This is the power connection that goes over to the camera. And we have the very simple wiring right here to connect to your vehicle. So it's the wiring is very simple. It's constant power and ground and switched power. So the switched power is the red wire here. When you have your vehicle switched on, this should measure at 12 volts. When you have the vehicle switched off, this should not measure 12 volts. The yellow wire here is constant power. That means with the vehicle switched on should measure 12 volts, and with the vehicle switched off should also measure 12 volts. And of course we have a ground here, should be connected to metal in the body or frame of the vehicle. Now remember what this product does. It's a hardwire upgrade kit for selected Pioneer dash cameras. That means you can use this upgrade hardwire kit to power your dash camera after you've switched the vehicle off. That means the camera will be running off of the vehicle's battery for a period of time. So we'll need to be very cautious and protect the battery so we're sure the vehicle will start when we come back to it. To protect the vehicle's battery, we'll need to switch the camera off at some point. These switches on the front and side of the RD-HWK200 control panel let you decide when to shut the camera off. Here is an A/B switch, and here are the timer and voltage switches. Let's start off with the timer switches. The timer switches determine the amount of time the camera will run after you've shut the vehicle down. When you put switches 1 and 2 in the up position, the camera will run for approximately 1 hour before it automatically shuts down. When you put switch 1 down and switch 2 up, you'll get about 3 hours of additional camera time. With switch 1 up and switch 2 down, you'll get about 6 hours of additional camera time. And with both switches 1 and 2 in the down position, you'll get about 12 hours of additional camera time when the vehicle is switched off. Over here on the other side are the voltage switches. And this works very similar to the timer, except by reading the vehicle's battery voltage. With switches 3 and 4 in the up position, the camera will automatically shut down when the battery measures 11.6 volts. With switch 3 in the down position and switch 4 in the up position, the camera will shut down when the battery measures 11.8 volts. With switch 3 in the up position and switch 4 in the down position, the camera will shut down when the battery measures 12 volts. And with both switches in the down position, the camera will shut down when the battery measures 12.2 volts. In order to protect the battery so the vehicle will start when you return to it, the voltage system is always active and will shut down the camera when the battery reads the predetermined voltage level. The A/B switch on the side here determines if you'll use the timer function or not. Putting the switch to the A position will deactivate the timer, and only the voltage settings will be used. Putting the switch to the B position will activate the timer to the pre-selected time. However, in order to protect the vehicle's battery, the voltage setting will override the timer if the pre-selected voltage level is reached and automatically shut down the camera. Oh, and please note, the RD-HWK200 works with 12 volt and 24 volt systems respectively. This camera is Pioneer's VREC DH300D. This is a very small front and rear dash camera, high definition dash cameras, and it operates out of the box with its own cigarette lighter adapter. So this is a very simple plug and play installation for this particular camera, VREC RD-HWK200. Plug it in through the cigarette lighter adapter, and then you plug the power cord right into the camera mount right here, and a very simple install just like that. Now please note that when it's operating from the cigarette lighter adapter, when you switch your vehicle on, the camera begins to record. You drive around, and when you stop and put your vehicle in park, you turn the vehicle off, your camera now stops recording because it's operating from the cigarette lighter adapter. There's no continuous power that comes through there, and so the camera shuts down when you shut off the vehicle. If you want to upgrade your hardwire kit so that you get into parking mode, and you can have protection and video surveillance of your vehicle while it's in park, you want to move up to the RD-HWK200 hardwire kit. So after you've installed the hardwire installation kit and set the switches on the side of the kit here, you're just going to plug in the power wire right into that same spot on the camera mount, and plug that into place, and you'll be up and running. And when you start your vehicle, you're automatically recording. When you stop your vehicle and switch it off, the RD-HWK200 then goes into either its timer mode or its voltage mode, and will shut down at the appropriate time. And that is Pioneer's RD-HWK200 upgrade hardwire kit for selected Pioneer dash cams. And what's in the box?